Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The RJRGleaner Communications Group saw increased profit for its 2021-2022 financial year. The company's delayed audited financial statement released today showed it made $341.7 million after tax for the year ended March. That's compared to the 2020-2021 year's profit of $170.6 million. The RJRGleaner Communications Group's income also improved, amounting to $5.7 billion. For the previous year, the group made $5.2 billion. The improved performance was despite increases in various expenses and the cost incurred for various infrastructure and technical work for the rollout of the digital switchover of its TV broadcast subsidiaries, which include our channel, Television Jamaica. Hundreds of job seekers turned up at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School today, hoping to secure a space in the government's cruise ship recruitment drive. According to the Ministry of Tourism, more than 10,000 Jamaicans are expected to be hired. It's understood that persons came from as far as St. Thomas but had to be turned away. The recruitment began in June and has been taking place across the country. 416 Distributors is looking to expand its regional footprint. The local company, which recently did the official launch of the Old Tavern brand of wines in Jamaica, says it is looking at other spirits to bring to the Jamaican and Caribbean market. Jason Hendricks is 416's Vice President of Business Development.
What we want to do is secure our foot here with the core brands that we're launching right now. And once those have gotten a secure footing in the marketing, we're going to be launching or expanding into other forms of wines. We don't want to give away too much. You know, the competitors are there listening. But after we've expanded, we're also going to be launching in other Caribbean islands and just putting the Old Tavern footprint straight across the Caribbean.
Let's head to the foreign exchange market. It's costing an average $152.61 for the U.S. currency. $117.26 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $180.45 for the pound, while it's costing an average $155.75 for the euro. The JSE index lost 652 points today, while the junior market index fell by 18 points. Among today's winners were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Lasco Distributors and Jamaican Teas, while on the losing side were Paramount Trading, Cargo Handlers, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, CAC 2000 and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. And that's it for the financial week. But before we go, here's a look at what's to come in the business review on Sunday.